All right. So this is the second time I have been able to construct the Soma cube. I don't know how similar this is to the previous approach. So let's get and deconstruct this cube. So my topmost part is this one. It's kept like this. So my topmost part is this piece, which I had kept it like this. So this comes out. Then my second piece on the top layer is this L-shaped piece. Then my third piece is this one. I don't know how I have made this, but yeah, let's go ahead and see. Then uh, then in my middle layer I have this piece plopped in the center. It comes out here. Then here, if you see, this is how my bottommost layer was created. So I had this piece which I moved here. Then I had this piece, and then I have this. So if I reconstruct this, what's going to happen is this one comes in, then this one comes in, then this one comes in, then I plop this in like this. Then what did I do? Then I construct my top layer with this piece, then this piece here, and this piece here. So yeah, that is how the cube was created. Now that I'm thinking of different ways, I'm going to turn this all around and see how it looks like now. Let me deconstruct the top layer again. So my top layer is this piece. I'm going to compare with my previous method. Then I have this piece here. Then I have what? Then I have this piece forming the bottom layer, middle layer, sorry. I have this here and then this one here. So what I'm going to do, so this is how it is. So I form using these two pieces my bottom layer. I'll put this one in here, then I'll probably put this. Oh no, I have messed up. I don't know, what did I do? I'll take this off. I think this one would fit in here. Oh my god.